morning, guys. So this is pretty much it for Ubud. We make our way up north to north of Bali. It's been absolutely amazing staying within Ubud. Obviously we went outside a little bit of Ubud to go and see the tourist attractions, but yeah, Ubud's been amazing and definitely one of our top places we visited. Yeah, so now we make our way north to North Bali, back to the beaches, which is going to be quite cool. I'm excited to be back to the beaches. Yeah, we're just going to have some breakfast, then we get into the taxi that's supplied by the village that we stay at, and yeah, then we through our way back to North Bali. We're going to be stopping off at some places, some beautiful waterfalls, and yeah, let's see how the day goes. Excited. Well, thankfully I don't have the drone, I've got a drone. So we're at our first stop for the day. It's another water temple, 50,000 to get in, which is a little bit steep, but whatever, no drones allowed as you saw. And it is called?
Ulan Batang something temple.
I don't know what it is, but I'll put it on the screen, but it's stunning. It's a temple in the middle of this lake, and yeah, beautiful. This has gotten so famous, there's now a booth over there and they give you 10 minutes to do what you want to do here, and it's 30 per person, so yeah, just a heads up. Don't know if it's worth it, but we here, we're just gonna do it. Little by little you wear me down. Okay, so we're at our final stop, our third stop for the day, and we're at an insanely beautiful waterfall. This is like literally Reunion Island level waterfalls, and it's absolutely majestic. So I'll try to walk away from the waterfall so you can hear me, but look what's behind me, it's absolutely incredible. Little by little you wear me down. Good morning, guys. Yeah, so this is pretty much our first proper day on Pemuteran beach. This is a fishing village, but definitely get the vibes of a more chilled, more quiet. It is off peak though, just a heads up, so it does mean that everything is more quiet. It's really chilled, really a good time for us to catch up on editing, good time for us just to relax and take it easy. We slept in this morning. I've gotten a bit of editing and caught up on some emails and things like that. Little by little you wear me down. You wear me down. Okay, so you can pretty much see they're getting the source of power pretty much there, all the way under the sand, out into the ocean. Pretty damn impressive, the marine life. I'm impressed. Obviously, some people say it looks a little bit fake. Yes, it does. It does potentially look a little bit fake, but it looks like it's growing, and it looks like they're doing a flipping good job, hey? Look at that. Look at that view. Don't know if you guys can see that, but that little mountain there is Ijin on the island of Java, which we are going to. And that little one on the side there, see that we are going to tomorrow. Now this is the proper way. Look how easy the pathways are. Oh, okay, so it was flipping windy up there, but now we make our way back. But it was super cool that you could actually see Java and the Mount and Ijin, which is where we're hiking up to. Very, very cool that we could see it from the top there. And you could even see the island which we are going to tomorrow to snorkel, so that was boss.
Stillness somewhere above the city lights, you're falling in love. Still aware, you know it is true that you were lost and this is a clue. Love is forever, love is forever. To believe you gotta let go. Light as a feather, light as a feather, lucid dreaming over Tokyo. Love is forever, love is forever. Love is forever, love is forever. With the music still in your ears, you're on your way to conquer your fears in this dream.
Okay, so that pretty much wraps up Bali, and to be exact, Northern Bali. We're finally done with this place, which is a bit sad because it's been flipping amazing. Could definitely see myself living here in the future, but yeah, that's pretty much it. So we're now going to the docks where we get a ferry to Java, and tomorrow very, very early we start our hike at 2 a.m. to Ijin. We hike up Ijin, where we hopefully get to see the blue flames. If I'm correct, I think the only other place in the world that you can see that is in Iceland, so we're really looking forward to that, so let's hope it comes true.